Hi, Chris here for Tech and welcome to the channel. Unfortunately, my computer is still not repaired, so today I'm going to show you this, and to make it wait and bear with me for a little while, I will give you a free font, which is this one here. Without further ado, let's get started. Basically, this font here, if you leave a comment, I will give it to you, alright? But you have to leave a comment and ask nicely, of course, and I give it to you, right? For this one here, it's called Angel Arms, and if you go, already prepare for you to, because this computer is extremely slow. If you go to the internet and you type this here, okay, but I will put a link in the description below, so please do look into, and you can find this. We have many more if you want to. So let's say I can say this like so, and submit. You even have the possibility, if you want to look at a small one, a tiny one, if you really want to see how it looks like. Alright, so you can see you have others, and basically you just have to click here. If you don't know how to install the font, just let me know and in the comments, and I will maybe do a tutorial, but normally everyone knows how to do that. Okay, so this is almost working. Alright, as you can see here, if I change the percentage, let's say 60% margin, everything is calculated here. Let's say the retailer wants a 50%, so maybe I will take a 30% myself. You can see that everything is calculated. Even this, let's say you want to sell this item which is based on this, but this doesn't work. The only thing to work, let's say, is if I want cleaning, for example, it will have a shorter lane, as you can see here. For the canned food, you have all this. I'm working on it, but the computer is so slow. So for the canned food, let's say I want tomato paste, and you can see that he fetch all of those. I will include some more here, some more there. Then you just have to input basically your tomato paste. Let's say you want 8 packets. And this is how much it will cost you. And this, let's say, is for 25, and if you want it for 1, this is how it works. Alright, this is not set yet, so I have more work. This one is for the packaging, alright, and it's the same, it doesn't work fully. But basically all the price that you see here, it's linked here. Okay, so how many minutes you require, let's say you require me 2 minutes. The labor, let's say it's 1 ringgit, and you can see that everything is calculated. Alright, if I say 8 ringgit, everything changes. Alright, so it's as simple as this, total amount of 5 pieces, and so on and so forth. How many minutes? 5 minutes. Labor, you can see everything. Basically, when I change, it changes there, and there. And this one, let's say you want to sell your items for 15. Of course, it's in ringgit because I'm in Malaysia. You can see that it calculates for you. Then your produce cost should be 530 instead of those. So to change, maybe as I say, you can put 0.5. And wow, we are making a lot of money. But then again, alright, that's about it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you will have a good week, and as usual, if you like this video, please do your YouTube things of liking, maybe subscribe, and you can as well press the bell button to be notified when I put a new video. Anyway, thank you, have a nice week, and bye now.